Hi everyone, I'm Pinky Kumawat, PhD student in Urban and Regional Development. I'm going to present my research activity using attitudes and green consciousness as a determinant of travel behavior and market segmentation, supervised by Professor Cristina Pronello. The idea behind the research is that implementing measures to improve transport systems require detailed knowledge of travel behavior and the underlying psychological factors. Therefore, it is necessary to know how, when, where, and why people move to better understand their needs, how to promote sustainable mobility, how we can measure green consciousness and its impact on mode choice, and what are the main psychological determinants behind decision making. To answer the research questions, the objectives of the research are to define a market segmentation using preferences and attitudes to understand travel behavior, assess the general ecological behavior to obtain a valid measure of the attitude towards the environment, and to investigate the main psychological determinants behind the mode choice. The final aim is to develop targeted strategies to offer proper infrastructure, services, policies, and to promote sustainable mobility. Shedding lights on the results of market segmentation, applying K-means clustering and exploratory factor analysis, we obtained 6 clusters. And analyzing in detail these clusters, we identified that the main factors behind the mode choice are onboard quality improve, mode pleasure, mode performance, travel pleasure, and pro-environment activism. Applying Rasch model analysis for assessment of general ecological behavior, we achieved a good, reliable, and valid tool and identified that it do not impact the mode choice. Applying structural equation modeling for mode choice model, we analyzed that the main determinants behind the mode choice are mode pleasure, travel pleasure, affect, which is I like to drive, and perceived accessibility, that is the availability of alternative modes to car. The final aim of the research is to propose policy implications useful for transport planners and policy makers, and we suggest to improve quality of public transportation to attract more users to use public transport system, create a specific bike lane and bus priority lane to reduce travel time, involve the young generation in campaigns to promote sustainable mobility. Policies such as create a quota for each household for owning a private vehicle may help to reduce the number of cars in circulation and making it more uncomfortable and difficult to afford the car. Finally, environment-focused education policy can play a role to educate people. If you are interested to know more or have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you for your kind attention.